Around this way.
I think Duke's getting tired. You're wearing out my chicken, boy.
Run, Leia, run. She's like, come on, let's run.
He almost got her.
He's not, you know, she's not clucking or anything.
Look at her peeking.
Oh, thank you God for animals. They're so fun.
He's almost got her.